Hello everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Bulletin. Today we're going to look at some news on Ripple and XRP. Now take into account that Ripple is the company behind it and XRP is the currency. Nevertheless, we are going to look at news on both separately. So first of all, let's look at CoinMarketCap. XRP is placed second with a price of 33 cents and they took over Ethereum. The first article here on Ripple's own site says that RippleNet surpasses 200 customers worldwide. The companies include, and there is a whole list of companies, you can read it yourself. And with these additions, there are now more than 200 customers signed up for RippleNet. Now this is quite a big number, as you have seen. In 2018, nearly 100 financial institutions joined RippleNet, and we are now signing 2, sometimes 3 new customers per week. So this is important, something I didn't even know. That's quite a lot per week. They saw a 350% increase last year in customers sending live payments. And they are beginning to see more customers flip the switch and leverage XRP for on-demand liquidity, said Brett Garlinghouse. So as you can see, the company Ripple and their products are growing at incredible speed. This is very beneficial for the currency as well, because then obviously more financial institutions are going to use the currency for transactions. So these things go hand in hand. Here we have an article saying, having a few predictions on 2019. So XRP, can the currency reach $10 by the end of the year? Ripple News Today. Now, what they mainly argue is that most of cryptocurrency experts believe that not only XRP will be able to reach new peaks, but also reach new highs. And that's why they think it's one of the best investment opportunities right now. And they use multiple sources, multiple articles to make this statement. They also say that Ripple is constantly adding new clients, not any client, but really marquee name clients and banks all over the world. And many financial institutions are also using the Ripple protocol in order to transfer money from one part of the globe to another. And that's the reason why they think XRP is quite undervalued. And in the future, when more clients get added, when all this news sticks together, that the price of this currency will increase. So they mention, they've summarized some articles, FX Street, Express.co.uk, Investing PR, and they all pretty much believe that by the end of the year, so by the end of 2019, XRP will have a price of $3 to $5. And now you may think that's a lot, but it's not very unlikely, because the last high was above $3 as well. So then again, 5 would not be totally unreasonable, especially if they keep on adding clients like this, and especially if the news just keeps stacking together and when the market altogether gets out of the bearish phase. So here we have an article by investinblockchain.com, and in a video before I've covered a similar article, and I really think these articles are important. This guy is quite correct. The last time he was correct, and he basically also mentions support levels and resistance levels. And these are key, especially if you're investing, you need to know what you're getting into. So the trend is neutral. During trading in 2019, the market has been trapped with a narrow range as defined above. For this market to be considered bullish again, we would need to see price action break above the trading range and continue above the 46 cents handle. If price action was to break below the range and penetrate beneath 34 cents, we would consider this market bearish. Now take into account this article was written 20 hours ago. At that point the market didn't correct as much yet, so we are below 34 cents right now. So you can consider this market bearish according to this article. But still these levels are important. So where is the support for XRP below 36 cents? He says it's at 34 cents and 31 cents. Now, this is why it's important, because we've already broken 34 cents. As you can see, we are 33 cents right now. So the next level that we need to take into account is 31 cents. And if they break that support level, it will go to 30 cents. And if they break that support level, 28.5 cents. So yeah, these levels, especially if you're investing, are quite important to take into account. But he also mentions resistance levels. So what numbers should we take into account? Now these resistance levels are 39 cents, 42 cents, 46 cents, 50 cents, and 53 cents. Now again, this article is written 20 hours ago, so there are resistance levels now between 33 cents and 39 cents that he hasn't mentioned, but that are present. Nevertheless, should there be a bullish move again, should we break 39 cents, you can expect these two to be the next resistance levels. I always think these articles are interesting, and it helps me at least to see what I can expect of the market. And resistances and support levels are very crucial for that. So now moving on to the last article, again tying in the Ripple and their partnerships. So the Santander Bank praises Ripple's payment network and says it defeats competition. Now of course we know that Ripple itself and its solutions are much better than the competition, much better than Swift, more efficient, cheaper. And banks are starting to realize that, institutions are starting to realize that. Tying in with the first article of the increased partnerships, this is basically a result of that. Ripple's products are becoming more and more appreciated by the big players in the financial industry, in 2019 as well. 2018 was a successful year, and this one announces to be even more. So Banco Santander, so the Santander Bank, just reported that Ripple-powered payments application OnePayFX is offering its customers the ability to send cross-border transactions at much faster speeds compared to the competitors in the field. Now, of course, any bank, any institution that praises Ripple, it just fuels the fire. The news will get out. As you can see, this article is published. Many similar articles on this topic are published. It spread awareness. Awareness is key. It helps people know about Ripple, know about the currency XRP. So all in all, this is all good news. And even though the market is in a bearish phase, you can expect this because all the currencies are correlated, right? So if the market is bearish, all coins will go down. If the market is bullish, all coins will go up. But then when we get out of this bearish trend, all the news that has been released starts to stack up, and then you can see differences in rising prices. Now, of course, don't think any of this as financial advice. Use this as entertainment and news purposes only. This was a Crypto Bulletin. Thank you for watching. It would mean a lot if you could leave a like or subscribe and comment if something is unclear. It would help the channel grow a lot. And if you want, you can also follow on Twitter and Instagram. Thank you. Goodbye.